Okay, a quick video showing you how you can search for journals at New York Tech, and we're going to focus on the journal publication magazine, The Atlantic. So the first thing you want to do is head to nyit.edu/library. What do we want to do? We'd like to find something, so we're going to click on Find Resources. And then what do we want to find? Well, we're going to look for a journal. So as we know, journals have an ISSN, an International Standard Serial Number, and it's different than an ISBN. And let's just type in Atlantic. So when we do a quick search on Atlantic, we see here we have the Atlantic Monthly. Now, each of these listings below the title, Atlantic Monthly, and you'll notice the ISSN here, the number here that we could have searched by, is a database. So here's a database called Academic Search Complete, and it includes the Atlantic from 1993 through present. So we're going to click on Academic Search Complete, and then we have two choices here. So we can scroll through, little chronology here. Maybe we want to read something from 2019. We would click on 2019, maybe issue number 5. So this is one path that we can take. Typically we would do this if we know the year and month of the issue that we'd like to look at. In our case, what we're going to do is we're going to hit search within this publication. So we have Journal Atlantic Monthly. We're only searching at this point within the Atlantic Monthly. And we can specify, well, for example, why don't we try something pertaining to New York City, would be an example. And here, I love this. They go New York City or Boolean or operator, New York or NYC. So it's interesting. So we have these Boolean operators that we can apply to be more inclusive in terms of using synonyms in our search. So what do we have here? We have 261 results. And they are all, in fact, from the Atlantic, and they all pertain to New York City. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that your search is going to, the results, I should say, will be in a relevance rank. So here we have relevance. Sometimes you may want newest first. Perhaps you want to see the newest first from the Atlantic pertaining to New York. And in this case, we're newest first. We have something from April 2024, and let's click on PDF full text, and inevitably you will see what's in there from the Atlantic. So that's a quick way of searching for journals at nyit.edu/library. And just to recap, what do we want to do? We wanted to find resources, and what kind of resources did we want to find? In this case, we wanted to find the journal kind.